You got a title for your book and the full concept of what you want your book to look like, but you don't know how to get profitable table of contents to start writing your book. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most attractive table of contents for your books that will trigger the emotions of potential buyers and make them click the buy now icon. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Legal Naira, and all I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online and offline in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. And I'm never ever going to ask you to pay a dime for anything. All the information I give on my channel are free for you to start making money immediately. If this is something you are interested in, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so that YouTube will send you instant notifications anytime I post awesome videos like this. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you very much for being a loyal subscriber to my channel. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So, to get the best table of contents for your book, there are two major ways you can do that. One, you can use table of contents from Amazon, and two, you can use table of contents from some very high selling books through Google. Now, I don't always use the one from Amazon. I use the one from Google, and I will tell you the reason later in this video. Now, let me explain how to get table of contents from Amazon. Let's say you want to write a book about vegetarian diets. Just go straight to Amazon. This is Amazon. Then you search vegetarian diets, search, and all these are vegetarian diet books. Just open like 2 or 3 of them, of the best sellers majorly. This is one of them, this is another one, and this is the third one. Just click on the look inside, click on the book, and it will load up the first 5 pages of this book, which is going to show you the table of contents. So this is it. You just scroll down. This is a table of contents for this book. As you can see, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6. You can just open up your notepad and start writing out these chapters one after the other like this. You can come here, open up your notepad, just say table of contents, chapter 1, the beginner's guide, chapter 2, the 4-week meal plan, chapter 3, breakfast. This is how you get the complete table of contents for this book. Now, what you want to do is you're not going to use the exact table of contents the way it is. Before you start your chapter 1, you can have an introduction like this before you start the chapter 1. Then in chapter 1, instead of writing a beginner's guide, you can just change yours to vegetarian beginner's guide. Chapter 2, the 4-week meal plan, you can just change yours to vegetarian 4-week meal plan, or you can just remove even the 4. You can say vegetarian meal plan or 30 days meal plan. Chapter 3, breakfast, change yours to breakfast for vegetarians, like that, and this is how you get all your chapters ready. This is the first one. If you don't like all the table of contents in this book, you can move to the next book like this, scroll down, and you will see the table of content. As you can see, this is table of contents. You can open up your notepad and start. You can either add to the first one or remove some and add some from here. This is how to get table of contents for your books. You can do the same for the third one like this. Click the look inside. When it loads up like this, you scroll down and then you will see its own table of contents. Okay, like this is table of contents. You can just pick 1 or 2 things from here too. This is how to get table of contents from any book on Amazon. Make sure to paraphrase and change some of the words in the table of contents. You are only getting a concept from here. Now, let's check how to get table of contents from Google. To get table of contents from Google, just head straight to Google and type the title of the book you are looking for, then add table of contents to it. For example, we've done vegetarian cookbook. Let's look for how to train your dog. How to train your dog, table of contents, like this. Then you search. All these are books on how to train your dog. Don't pick the one from Amazon. You will see some that will load up from Amazon. Don't pick them. Look at this one. Look at this one too. Look at this. This is from Amazon. Don't pick the one from Amazon. Look at this one. Now, just start opening them one by one. Open the first one. As you can see, this is a lot. From this table of contents, you can get 5 different books. Look at it. You have chapter 1, the right dog for you. Chapter 2, what dogs want you to know. Chapter 3, have realistic expectations. Chapter 4, access your lifestyle. You see, like this, you can get table of contents. From here, it's saying leaving the past behind. You can pick different lines from here and compile them to be your table of contents. You can move to the next one too. This is another person's book on how to train or how to raise your dog. This is a table of contents for this book. You can just copy everything there, go back to your notepad and paste it here. Then you can start editing. Chapter 1, meet the puppies. You can just change it to how to identify the best puppies. That's your chapter 1. Chapter 2, perfect match, choosing the perfect puppy. You can even leave that. You can just change it to choosing the perfect puppy. Remove the perfect match. Chapter 3, mother knows best, learning from the pros. You can just say learning from the pros, or you can just say training your puppy, learning from the pros. That's your chapter 3. Chapter 4, puppy comes home easing. Chapter 4, you can just change that to something else. Pick from any of the ones you've written before or you've seen before. This one says, chapter 5 says, your healthy puppy, healthcare basics. You can just say healthcare basics for a healthy puppy, like this. So this is how you would keep arranging them until you get to chapter 10 or the number of chapters you want for your book. I hope this short video I've been able to show you how to get table of contents for any non-fiction book you want to write on Amazon. It even works for fiction. If you want to write a story book, a romance book, you can also search for romance books table of contents. It will give you ideas where you can just copy, rephrase them, and then rewrite them to become unique for your own book. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to write these books and format them, check plagiarism, proofread them automatically, and then publish them on Amazon KDP to start making money. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't, please like this video, leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that YouTube will send you instant notification anytime I post great videos like this to help you make money online. If you haven't created an Amazon account, this video will guide you through the simple steps on how to create your Amazon account in 5 minutes. If you want to learn how to get free interiors for your low content books, you can watch this video right here to start creating numerous low content interiors for free. If you want to learn how to create coloring books, this video will show you how to create simple coloring books that you can publish on Amazon. If you also want to learn how to upload books, these 3 videos here are the best videos on how to upload books, both low content and high content on Amazon KDP. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.